Hey everybody, welcome to the BodyFix PT and Performance YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to do a tried but true cardio workout. All you need is a jump rope, okay? I have my speed rope here, and that's fine. You can use any jump rope you want. We're just doing regular jumps. Today, we're not going to work in double unders yet. We'll get into that in another video. Today is just our basic jump rope, okay? So let's go over a few jump rope basics. You're gonna stand rope between your legs, right? Pull that up, you want it right about the nipple line, okay? Right about the nipple line, all right? And then, that's how you do your length for a rope, all right? And then, you're just gonna jump rope. Real simple, jump. Okay? And this is good. This is gonna get the heart rate up, challenge the lungs, okay? What you want to do is 100, 200, 300, whatever works for you. Just remember to be soft in the knees and feet. All right, you don't want the sound when you land to be like this, okay? You don't want it to be a hard landing. Okay, you want your muscles to absorb the shock in your entire leg, all right? The landing should be soft on the toes, soft knees, all that stuff. Get you ready for the next rep, all right? Now, I did say do 100, 200, 300. If you can't get that, that's okay. All right, we wanna get that heart rate up. You can see just from doing that, I'm breathing a little heavy. It's good, right? Feels good. So what you could do is do it for time. Maybe do 5 minutes. See how that feels. Right? I don't want you hurting yourself when you're doing this. If you have any questions, reach out to us, all right? This shouldn't hurt. If it does, stop immediately. Give it a go. Reach out to us. Let us know how you're feeling. Take care. Have a good day. And remember to subscribe for a new video every day.